Multiplexer. Multiplexer belongs to combinational circuit. Combinational circuit is the one in which output depends on present input. Multiplexer has many inputs and one output. In general, multiplexer has n select lines and 2 power n input lines, and it has only one output. In short, multiplexer is called as MUX. As I said, MUX has n select lines, 2 raised to n input lines, and it has only one output line. At any time, multiplexer select one input depending on the select lines. Now let us see how to design a 4:1 multiplexer. 4:1 multiplexer has 4 inputs, 1 output, and it has 2 select lines. This 4 can be represented as 2 raised to 2, where this 2 indicates select lines. N select lines and 2 raised to n input lines. In 4:1 mux or 4:1 mux, I can represent 4 as 2 raised to 2. Here this 2 represent select lines. So now the block diagram of 4:1 mux can be represented as I can call it as 4:1 mux. It has 2 select lines. I will call as S1 and S0 are the select lines, and it will be having 2 raised to n, that is in general here n equal to 2, therefore 2 raised to 2, that is 4 inputs. Assume that I1, I0, I1, I2 and I3 are the input lines, and it will be having only one output line Y. The multiplexer at any time select any one of the input depending on the select lines. Now let us write the truth table for multiplexer. The select lines are S1 and S0. Here the output depends on the select lines. Depending on the select lines, it will choose any one of the input. So now we can write the truth table using select lines and output line. Suppose select lines are 0, 0. The output choose I0 line, so that I0 line will be connected to output side. The data whatever given at I0 will pass to the output. That is, if I0 is 0, 0 will pass to the Y. If I0 is 1, 1 is passed to the Y. This happens when select lines S1 and S0 are 0, 0. That is, now I can say Y is equal to I0, because I0 will be connected to Y. Similarly, when S1 is 0, S0 is 1, the output line is connected to I1. So now I can say Y is equal to I1. So mux is acts like a switch. When S1 is 0, S0 is when S1 is 1, S0 is 0, output line is connected to I2. That is, whatever the data present at I2 will pass to the output line. Like this. When both are 1 1, it will choose I3, which is connected to output line. Now by seeing the truth table, we'll write the Boolean expression for output. The Boolean expression for multiplexer Y is written as I naught. Here output Y is equal to I naught for corresponding inputs S1 and S0. So I can write it as I naught S1 bar S0 bar plus I1. For I1 corresponding inputs are S1 equal to 0 and S0 equal to 1. I can write it as I1 dot S1 bar S0 plus for I2 corresponding inputs are S1 and S0. So I can write I2 dot S1 S0 bar plus for I3 corresponding inputs are S1 equal to 1, S0 equal to 1. So it is I3 S1 S0. So this is the output expression of 4 to 1 multiplexer. Now let us implement the circuit diagram from this Boolean expression. So here we need 4 AND gates, one for to implement the first term, another AND gate to implement second term, another AND gate to implement third term, and fourth AND gate to implement fourth term. So use 4 AND gates. Let this is S1 input and this is complement of S1, that is S1 bar. Let this be line S0, its complement input is S0 bar. For the first AND gate, the inputs are I0, this is I0, and S1 bar. S1 bar is taken from this line. Another input is S0 bar. So this is S0 bar. The output of this is I0 S1 bar S0 bar. Now the second term I1 S1 bar and S0. Connect I1 input directly to the second AND gate and S1 bar line is available here. S2 taken from this line. So output of this is I1 S1 bar S0. Next for third AND gate, the terms are I2 S1 and S0 bar. Take another input I2 connected directly to the third AND gate and another input is S1. This is S1 line and S0 bar is available here. So output of this is I2 S1 S0 bar. I3 S1 S0 is connected to fourth AND gate. Take another input directly connected to AND gate, that is I3, S0 is connected to this AND gate and S0 is connected from this line. The output of this is I3, S1, S0. Now these all product terms are summed together because there is a plus sign in between all the terms. So the output of these all will go to the 4 input AND gate. So output of this is Y. This is the complete circuit diagram for 4 to 1 mux or multiplexer.